In this video, I'm going to show you how to add header and footer in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top over here and click on Page Layout, and then you want to go to where it says Header and Footer, and you want to click on it, and you want to click on Manage Headers and Footers. Now, by default, there's going to be a bunch of different ones in here, like this company one over here, which you can see the preview over here. You have the current page header, you have the page numbers footer, and then you have the website footer. So it's up to you if you want to use any of these. You could go and apply them if you want to, but we're just going to create a new one just so I can show you how this works. Now here, of course, you can click on these plus buttons and you'll be able to edit them if you want to. So if I go to edit over here, as you can see, I can, for example, change this company over here to whatever's my company, and of course, I'll be able to use that header or footer that way. Now, that's one way to do it, but of course, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to click on New Profile, and I'm just going to name it Simple Footer. There we go. And then I'm going to click on it and click on add, and I'm going to do text, and then it's going to open up this box over here. I'm just going to leave it as a text over here, and then I'm going to just type something in. I'm just going to type in, for example, this is my first PDF, and this is going to be a footer. And then what you have to do here, of course, you could play around with your font here. You could do like sizes, you could do different colors, you could go ahead and do word wrapping, stuff like that. I'm not going to play with this. I'm just going to apply it to all pages, and then here I'm going to do actually from bottom, and I'm going to do from center, so it's over here, and then the vertical is going to be like 0.40, or let's do 0.30, so it's actually a bit more up and not at the very bottom at the border. Now, just like this, I've basically created my own footer, and of course I can do it whatever I want it to be. I could make it like literally whatever. It's completely up to you. Click on save and then apply, and there we go. I have my footer over here. Now, if I wanted to make a header, I could go again, manage, I can create a new profile, and I'm going to type in, for example, simple header. This could be whatever you want, by the way. And you can, of course, add images as well. So if you want your header to be an image or something from a different PDF, you could do that too. I'm going to click on text over here. I'm just going to type in hello. And then this one we're going to do from top. And then we're going to do from center. And then we're going to basically just put it down a bit like this. Click on save. Apply, and there we go. We have a new header. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.